You know, I really don't understand the world. I really don't. Freaking Alaska got a 6.0 earthquake. Alaska. And then, right afterwards, like a day or two later, Illinois gets 22 tornadoes in the same day, with one of them being an extremely destructive one, destroying an estimated 300 homes, injuring an estimated 30 people. So far, we don't know if any deaths occurred. I don't understand. 22 in one day? But yet 21 of them barely did anything at all? And it's just the one that did the 300 homes and 30 people? It's really, really crazy. Like, I don't know if things are actually getting worse, like people say, or if it's just like the same or what, but like no matter what, I'm just never gonna understand it. It's very scary. And I gotta get up early. I gotta get up 8:30 in the morning, even though I just got home not too long ago from work, so I can take Mookie to the vet, get her blood test to make sure if she has anything wrong with an organ or diabetes or something like that, because she's been drinking a lot more water than normal. So we just want to make sure that if she's okay, I really hope everything's okay. Mainly because of her, but another reason is obviously money, you know. But still, like, I just want her to be okay. Like, we don't need that on top of everything else. We really don't. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Actually, about that, I think. Although we're probably not going to get any results the same day. Normally it's like a day or two later. But we'll see. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.